Hello everyone, my name is Yuli Mulyaningsi. I'm a student of Information System major at Binus Online University with student ID 2902707171. In this video, I will present a learning topic with titled REST API Testing with Postman for Software Quality Assurance. Let's get started. This topic is important, especially for those who are interested in software quality assurance, QA engineering, or back-end development. Through this video, I will explain the basic concept of software testing, introduce REST APIs, and demonstrate how to perform API testing using Postman. After watching this video, you are expected to understand the concept of software testing, explain what API and REST API are, identify key elements of API communication, use Postman as an API testing tool, and perform basic API testing and validation. These skills are essential in ensuring software quality in modern applications. So, what is software testing? Software testing is the process of evaluating and verifying that a software application works as expected and meet the specified requirements. The main goals are to find bugs or errors, ensure the system functionality and system function properly, improve overall software quality. Testing is important because without it, system may fail, causing crash, incorrect data, or their security issue. So therefore, testing is needed to ensure reliability and better user experience. So there are actually many types of software testing. First, based on its purpose, there's functional testing to check if the system works properly, and non-functional testing based on how we understand the system. There's a black box testing, which focus on the output, and white box testing, which look at the internal code. There are also specialized testing, like performance testing, security testing, and API testing. And lastly, testing can be done manually or using automation. In this video, we will focus on API testing as one of the specialized testing types. Okay, so what is API and REST API? API is a mechanism that allows systems to communicate with each other. REST API is a bridge for data communication between client and server using HTTP request and response. API testing is important because APIs connect different systems. API can be categorized based on who has access to them. Like private API are used internally within an organization to connect different system components and are not accessible to external users. Public API are available to external developers, allowing them to integrate service or data into their own application, either for free as or paid services. Meanwhile, partners API are shared between specific organizations to support collaboration with access restricted through authentication to authorized partner only. Its benefits include faster testing, early bug detector, and better system reliability. API testing is widely used in modern web and mobile applications. There are several important elements of API that includes endpoint like the API URL, HTTP method, like the get, post, put, and delete, and then parameters, the variables that are passed to an API endpoint to provide specific instruction for the API process. And then the request headers, including the authorization, content type, authentication, like API key, bearer token, or OAuth. Here there is an example for the token. And then the request body contain the data input, and the API response, which contains status code, response header, and response body. Here is the example for the HTTP status code. Like 100 is the information that request was received and being processed, and 200, this is to explain that the request was successful received and accepted. And then 300, this is the redirection. The request results should be accessed through different means. And then 400, it is for the client error, which there is a request is invalid and cannot be fulfilled. And then 500 is for the server error, like the server failed to process the request. So, Postman is a powerful API testing tool that simplifies sending requests and analyzing response. So, it supports collection for organizing APIs, environment variable for flexibility, and automation using script. It allows us to send requests, view response, and validate the result. So here is the example for the Postman overview. So now let's do a simple testing demo of the GET request. From the GET requests are used to retrieve information from the given URL. There will be no change done to the endpoint. So we will use the following URL for the examples in this tutorial. Okay, so let's start to the demo. So first we will try for the GET request. Here I use this URL. So as I mentioned before, that we need an authorization for the like the private API or partners API. If it private API, then we should input the API key or out. So here I select the API key here in the authorization and then put the key and then the value. So the next step is we need to click send. Yeah, and then here the result, the status code it 200 means the request is successful. And then in the response body, we can see the JSON list of the station. So here is the example for the result. So we just need to choose the HTTP method and then put the URL. If it's a private API, then we need to put the API key, what is the key and the value, and then we can click send to see the status code here. If it's success, then it will show 200, and if no, then will be show another error. And then we can also the JSON of the response body here. This is the listing of the data that we get from this URL. And then the next demo is for post request. So post requests are used to create data to the URL. We will use this following URL for examples in this tutorial. Okay, and then we can continue to the next demo for the post request. We can choose the HTTP method here. We can choose the post one. So the post requests are used to create data to the URL. So let's say you want to create a new data to this URL. We can use this. And we can input the API key, or also we can put it here. Then we can put the request body here. So let's say here is the body. I put the BSF test blah 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 for the external ID. I put the name, the latitude, longitude, and altitude. And then after this, we can click send. So here is the status of the request. The status is 201, which is it's created. And then here is the response of the body that we send through the POST API. Here is the data. So here the ID is generated by the systems, and then this is the updated ad, created ad based on when we send this request. And then the user ID, this is comes from the user that accessing the this URL, like using the app ID previously. And then the external ID that I input in the request, same as name, latitude, longitude, and altitude. And then the rank and the source type, it will be automatic generated by the systems. So yeah, that's the demo that I can present during this learning. So for conclusion from this learning video, software testing plays a crucial role in ensuring application quality. API testing is essential in modern software system, and Postman is a powerful tool that simplifies the API testing process. By understanding this concept, you can improve your skills in software quality assurance. Okay, so here the reference that I use, and you can learn also about the APIs and Postman through this list of reference. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope this material is helpful for your learning journey. See you in the next video.